talk about complementary feeds, how to start, when to start, what to give, everything. If you have any questions, you can write it down below and I will try to answer those questions. I am Dr. Kavita Singh. I am practicing as a woman health physiotherapist. I am a childbirth educator, certified lactation counselor, a Garb Sanskar coach, and I am practicing as a lactation consultant and a physiotherapist in Motherhood Noida Hospital. Right. So the first thing is, what is the recommendation? So the recommendation is to exclusively breastfeed your baby for first 6 months. What that mean? It means that your baby do not need anything other than your milk in the first 6 months of their life. What is the other recommendation is, after 6 months, start introducing complementary feeds to your baby and continue breastfeeding to 18 to 24 months of age or even longer if you and your baby wants to. So these are the journal recommendation from WHO complementary feed at 6 months. What is the why it is required at that time, right? So the first thing is that because the milk is not sufficient at that time to fill the nutrition and the energy that baby requires. So there is a gap between the energy and the nutrition that provided by the breast milk and the requirement that actually baby needs. So to fill that gap, we need something to complement breast milk, and that is the complementary feed. So that's why after 6 months it is important to add and introduce solids to your baby. Also, this at this time, if we introduce the solid, it is very likely that the baby will accept food easily later in life, and जो crankiness, जो चूजी बच्चे होते हैं खाने को लेके, वो चीज नहीं आएगी if we started at the right time. This at this time the nature also shows some signs. So baby also shows some signs that he's ready for all the solids along with the breast milk, because at this time the baby's kidneys, baby's liver, baby's digestive system is developed well, so it is easier for the baby to digest the proteins, carbohydrates and fat that he will get from the complementary feeds. Also, because this is the time when baby's neuromuscular mechanism develop, so it means that the baby is accept different textures, food and taste easily.